home. Somebody broke into my home. Somebody broke into my home and shot my wife.
At 2:30 in the morning, a frantic husband called 911, claiming an intruder had just shot his wife. But as police searched the home and the entire neighborhood, they couldn't find a single sign that anyone else had been there. What happened inside that house would turn a former pastor and one-time TV singer into a murder suspect. This is the case of Caleb Flynn, accused of killing his wife, Ashley Flynn, inside their home in Tipp City. On February 16th at around 2:30 a.m., Caleb Flynn dialed 911. He told dispatchers that someone had broken into the house and shot Ashley. Their 2 young daughters were asleep in another room. Caleb's voice sounded emotional, shaken, desperate for help. From the start, it sounded like a terrifying home invasion. But once officers arrived, the scene began raising questions. Bodycam footage shows officers rushing to the home. Caleb appeared highly emotional as he spoke to them, but investigators quickly noticed details that didn't quite fit the story. The garage door was open. The center console of Caleb's car was open. He mentioned having a handgun in the glove box. Individually, those details might mean nothing. Together, they made officers pause. Police treated the case seriously. They searched the area with drones. They brought in K-9 units. They looked for footprints, forced entry, anything that would confirm someone else had been inside that home. They found nothing. No clear evidence of a break-in, no fleeing suspect, no trail leading away from the house. As hours passed, investigators began shifting their focus inward toward the person who made the call. Ashley Flynn was a volleyball coach and teacher, described by many as kind, active in her community, and deeply devoted to her faith. Caleb Flynn was known as a former pastor and had once appeared as a contestant on American Idol in 2014 to many in their church and community. They appeared to be a strong Christian couple. That public image made the allegations even more shocking. As investigators examined the evidence, the narrative shifted dramatically. Caleb Flynn was arrested and charged with 1 count of murder. He also faced 2 counts of felonious assault related to the number of shots fired, and 2 counts of tampering with evidence for allegedly staging the crime scene. Authorities alleged that the burglary story didn't match the physical evidence. Caleb pleaded not guilty. His bond was set at $2 million, and he was ordered to have no contact with his daughters while the case moves forward. This case leaves behind painful questions about trust, appearances, and what may have really happened inside that home in the early morning hours. As the legal process continues, the court will determine the final outcome. What do you think about the evidence so far? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth true crime breakdowns.